Welcome back to the channel, where style meets speed and every ride tells a story. If you're passionate about cars that blend history, heritage, and a modern twist, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into something truly special. Not just a car, but a resurrection of an icon. This is the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Let's take a moment to appreciate how rare it is for an automaker to bring back a design from the golden age of motoring and actually get it right. And that's exactly what Volkswagen has done with the new Karmann Ghia. Originally launched in the 1950s as a stylish coupe built on the Beetle platform, the Ghia became a symbol of affordable elegance. Fast forward to 2026 and that spirit is alive again, only now it's electrified. Tech-savvy and designed for a new generation, the design is where it all begins. The new Ghia is a masterclass in retrofuturism. It doesn't try to be a replica of the original. Instead, it pulls the best cues from the classic, like the sweeping curves, the low stance, and that signature teardrop silhouette, and infuses them with modern proportions and materials. LED light strips now accentuate the front and rear, seamlessly blended into the curves. The two-door coupe body remains, but everything feels tighter, more refined, like a concept car that escaped the drawing board and hit the streets. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, is a state-of-the-art electric powertrain. Built on VW's MEB platform, the 2026 Ghia offers up to 300 miles of range on a full charge. Dual-motor all-wheel drive is optional, while the base rear-wheel drive version still delivers an impressive punch with 250 horsepower. But the Ghia isn't just about speed. It's about how that speed feels smooth, quiet, and composed. Steering is light but precise, and the low center of gravity gives it a planted feel around corners. Think more Grand Tourer than Pocket Rocket, but with enough zip to make you smile every time you hit the accelerator. Inside, the Ghia is both nostalgic and forward-thinking. The dashboard takes inspiration from the original simple layout but introduces modern, digital displays that can be customized to show everything from navigation to energy usage. There's a unique blend of eco-leather, recycled aluminum, and even sustainable wood accents. It's clean, airy, and refreshingly driver-focused. A panoramic glass roof adds a sense of openness, while sound insulation is top-notch, making this car just as much about comfort as it is about performance. Tech lovers won't be disappointed either. The infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of VW-exclusive features. There's even an optional voice assistant that learns your preferences over time, adjusting temperature, music, and even your driving mode depending on your habits. Volkswagen hasn't released official pricing just yet, but sources say the base model will start in the low $40,000 range, with higher trims pushing toward the mid-$50,000 mark. For what you're getting, the design, the performance, and the heritage, that's a pretty compelling package. And let's be honest, this isn't just a car, it's a statement. A nod to the past, built for the future. Of course, not everyone is going to understand this car. It's not built to beat Teslas off the line or dominate Nürburgring lap times. It's for someone who values design, legacy, and emotion in their vehicle. It's for the driver who wants to stand out in a parking lot full of lookalike crossovers and generic sedans. This is for the one who knows that cool isn't loud, it's timeless. So, the 2026 Karmann Ghia, is it worth the hype? If you ask us, absolutely. It's rare that a car can spark nostalgia without feeling stuck in the past. Volkswagen's done the impossible. They've taken a beloved classic and made it relevant again. Not by copying, but by reimagining. That alone deserves respect. Thanks for riding along with us today. If you enjoyed this look at the reborn Ghia, make sure you're subscribed for more stories like this. We've got more legends returning, more reviews, and more behind the wheel. Impressions coming soon. Until next time, stay driven.